пустом.
Oh my. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and hope you're safe wherever you are. Alright, your girl is back again with another reaction video. So today I will be reacting to Ankudinova singing SnowStorm. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel or you are seeing this face for the first time, you are specially welcome. Please consider joining this family by smashing the red subscribe button below and also turn the notification bell on so as to get notified whenever I upload new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are specially welcome. Thanks for always coming around to support your girl. I really appreciate your support. Alright, without further ado, let's dive straight into today's video.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
Oh my god, wait a second, like this girl has a strong voice and her voice is so amazing. Wow, I'm so loving this. Please guys, let's get back to the video.
Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Oh my god. This girl. Oh, Queen Ankudinova, seriously, this girl is full of surprises. Like, this girl is full package. She is so amazing. I love her performance. I enjoyed this song. I enjoyed this great song, seriously, and hope you guys did, because she has done another wonder. She has done another magic. All right, thanks for watching, and for more videos like this, please leave your suggestions in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. All right, thanks once more, and see you in my next video. Please stay safe. Love you.